Hello and welcome to What's New with Cisco U, the monthly series where we tell you the learning and cert stuff you should know. My name is Emma. I'm a content and advocacy marketing manager at Cisco Learning and Certifications, and this month is all about connecting the cloud. We have a couple of special guests today to help explain what Cisco is doing this month to help you connect the cloud in your job.
Hey y'all, my name's Alexis. Before we get into cloud, here's some quick reminders. Don't forget to complete the latest Rev Up to Recert CyberOps Associate. You need to complete the CyberOps learning path by November 17th. And a special update, everyone who completes the CyberOps Associate learning path on Cisco U will be eligible for a 25% off discount on the 200-201 CyberOps Associate exam. So keep an eye on your email. If you haven't entered the Cybersecurity giveaway yet, you can find the link in the description below. You have until November 15th to enter to win.
Today we have lead content advocate Patrick Gargano who's going to talk about cloud connectivity. Hey Patrick, tell us the top 3 things network engineers need to know about connecting the cloud.
Thanks, Emma. Hi, everyone. As Emma said, I'm a lead content advocate and instructor with Learning and Certifications. And for the past few months, I've been working on the new ENCC learning path that we're building for Cisco U. As you might already know, the new ENCC Cloud Specialist certification went live back on September 20th. ENCC is part of the CCNP Enterprise track, and it's one of the concentrations that you can take to either refresh or even complete your CCNP Enterprise certification. Emma was asking me what my top 3 things are that come to mind when I think about cloud, and right away the 3 words that I thought of were designing, securing, and optimizing. And that's because that's what I've been focusing on as we're working on this ENCC learning path. When we talk about designing, obviously we're talking about designing that connectivity from your on-prem locations and your branch offices to those different providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and GCP. Also figuring out what kind of topology, what kind of connectivity we're going to need to maximize and optimize those connections. And then we're looking at, securing them. And how are you going to secure those connections? Are you going to be using IPsec? Is it going to be some SD-WAN deployment of some sort? And are you going to leverage something like maybe Umbrella as well to secure those connections? And then finally, when we talk about optimizing, the thing that comes to mind for me is optimizing your applications. So obviously there's a focus there on SaaS and making sure that the user's experience getting access to those applications like Microsoft 365 is as good as it can be.
As usual, we have some fantastic new content available on Cisco U. Patrick, could you tell us about the learning paths and tutorials available this month?
Sure, Emma. Happy to talk about that. So as you know, Cisco isn't the cloud, but we're what connects the cloud. And this month you can learn to design and connect and secure the cloud with training you can trust from Cisco U. Whether you have a free account, the essentials, or the all access, we are focused on helping you build the skills you need to secure and connect your enterprise network with the cloud. And obviously we're super hyped about our newest Cisco U edition. So you can now get a head start on your ENCC training. So the new Designing and Implementing Cloud Connectivity Learning Path. So that's the real name for the ENCC abbreviation. And you can access the first track today. So the first track focuses on the fundamentals of public cloud and the options you have to connect to that cloud. So is it maybe an internet-based connectivity or even private connectivity? And the first track also focuses on the different SaaS options that you have available today and how you can optimize and secure access to them by either using something like direct internet access and Cisco Umbrella. We also have some free tutorials on Cisco U focusing on ENCC. And as you can see, they look at all the different providers, so either GCP, Microsoft Azure, or AWS, and show you how to build an IPsec VPN tunnel from a Cisco iOS XE device to those cloud providers. And we also have one there that focuses on helping you build your VPCs within AWS. So those are free tutorials in Cisco U. So not only is ENCC Track 1 going live, but we also have for Cisco U Essentials and All Access subscribers a bunch of other learning paths that are focusing on security and cloud as well. So we've got securing Cisco networks with snort rules, for example. We have introducing Cisco Cloud Consumer Security. But I also like this third one here, Splunk Fundamentals for Cloud Ops and Network Security Specialist for Cloud Ops as well. And there's a bunch more, and have a look at the description below to see them all. So if you haven't joined Cisco U yet, don't wait. Creating an account is easy. All you need is your Cisco login. So what new training are you excited for this month? Let us know in the comments below how you plan on connecting to the cloud in your job role.
As a thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video, I would like to tell you about 2 sales that are happening this month at Cisco. On November 20th through the 24th, mark your calendars for our very first ever Cisco U Black Friday sale. Details are coming soon. On November 27th, the Cisco Learning Network Store is having its yearly Cyber Monday sale. As usual, set your alarm for doorbuster deals. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure you are notified every time we post a new video. Our tech experts are working hard every month to bring you content to help you upskill in your current role or pivot to a new technology. I hope you are having a good day wherever you are around the world. Happy learning.